Welcome to Jamaica's history, where the past, present, and future come alive. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's heating up across the island and stirring up conversations from Kingston to Montego Bay. Is Prime Minister Andrew Holness quietly preparing for an early general election? The signs are there, but as always, the real story runs deeper than the headlines. So stick around, because we're about to uncover everything you need to know. And remember, if you love hearing the real, unfiltered Jamaican story, make sure to subscribe, like, and join the conversation in the comments below. Politics in Jamaica has always been a masterclass in timing, strategy, and sometimes pure surprise. From Bustamante to Manley, our leaders have often made bold, unexpected moves that changed the nation's direction overnight. Could Holness be planning his own historic moment? Let's take a closer look. Over the past 2 months, Jamaica has witnessed a sudden flurry of government activity. New housing developments being launched, major road and infrastructure projects moving forward, youth programs announced with urgency. Everywhere you turn, there's movement, there's action. Political analysts suggest this isn't random. In fact, in Jamaican politics, a sudden push in public projects usually signals one thing: an election is on the horizon. Remember 2011, when the People's National Party, led by Portia Simpson Miller, seized momentum through rapid campaigning? Timing then and now is everything. Andrew Holness is a seasoned politician. He understands the delicate balance of public mood, economic stability, and political opportunity. And according to insiders, his party's private polling looks strong, particularly among younger Jamaicans, first-time homeowners, and small business owners. But why would Holness consider an early election at all? The answer lies in strategy. First, Jamaica's economy has shown surprising resilience post-pandemic. Growth rates have stabilized. Tourism is booming again, and international investors are looking at Jamaica with fresh eyes. If Holness can call an election while optimism is high, he could secure another term, solidifying his legacy as one of Jamaica's most impactful modern leaders. Second, there's the issue of competition. Mark Golding and the People's National Party have been slowly gaining traction. Not enough to flip the country overnight, but enough to make things interesting if Holness waits too long. But moving early, Holness could catch the PNP off guard before they have time to fully mobilize their base. Of course, every bold move comes with risks. Calling an early election can backfire if the public senses arrogance or unnecessary political gamesmanship. Voter turnout could drop, or worse, swing toward the opposition out of protest. And while Jamaica's economy looks stable today, global instability, wars, inflation, climate disasters could easily shift public opinion almost overnight. Holness knows this. His team knows this. That's why every move he makes right now, every speech, every project launch, every handshake matters. So, is Prime Minister Andrew Holness planning a snap election? Based on the signs we're seeing, public engagement, project rollouts, political posturing, it certainly looks possible. But remember, Jamaican politics has always been a dance between the seen and the unseen. What we notice on the surface often hides much deeper calculations beneath. If an election is called early, it could redefine Jamaica's future, setting the course for the next decade of growth, development, and global influence. The only question now is, will the people respond the way Holness hopes? Or will history write a different story altogether? Here at Jamaica's History, we'll be watching every move, every speech, and every strategy unfold, and we'll be here to break it down for you with facts, passion, and pride. What do you think? Should Andrew Holness go for an early election, or should he hold steady and finish his full term? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because your voice is part of Jamaica's history too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with everyone who loves Jamaica as much as you do. Big up yourself, and until next time, Keep your mind sharp, your spirit strong, and your heart forever Jamaican.